Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Hassan Nazar and I am a student of PCS A1 section. My topic is geographical importance of Pakistan, which includes the coastline, resourceful location, central location in Muslim countries, link to Middle East, mountainous ranges of north and agricultural land. First we will talk about Pakistan. Pakistan is situated in Southeast Asia. Pakistan has an area of 796,096 square kilometer. Pakistan has a population of 216 million. Pakistan shares its borders with its four neighboring countries, which are Iran, China, Afghanistan and India. अब पाकिस्तान की कोस्टलाइन के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. पाकिस्तान इज़ अ लैंड ऑफ प्लेन्स, माउंटेन रेंजेस, deserts and coastal belts. Pakistan has three seaports from where international trading takes place. One is Karachi Port, second is Qasim Port, and third is Gwadar Port. The Arabian Sea, which is located in the south of Pakistan, has a coastline of 1046 kilometers. The Arabian Sea is also known as an important trade route between Pakistan and other countries. Karachi is the major port city for concluding trade. Pakistan is a resourceful land. How is it is resourceful? Well, Pakistan is rich in natural resources. Balochistan carries about 1 trillion USD dollars of natural resources including gold, copper, oil, natural gas, black pearl and other gems. About 1.31 percentage increase in GDP is by income from natural resources which are found in Balochistan province. Pakistan has great importance due to its central location in Muslim countries. The neighboring Muslim countries such as Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan are landlocked, which means they don't have any seaport. So all of their export, their goods, is transported by Pakistan through Gwadar seaport. In return, Pakistan receives high revenue from these countries as Pakistan delivers their goods to the world. Another geographical importance Pakistan has it's due to its connection of China to Middle East. Basically, Pakistan connects China to Middle East through Arabian Sea, CPEC, which is a project also known as China Pak Economic Corridor, is run by the Chinese. This in this project, it is intended to rapidly upgrade Pakistan required infrastructure and strengthen its economy. CPEC develops many major projects such as transportation network, energy projects, special economic zones. Now we are going to talk about the mountain regions of Pakistan, but first we are going to look at these beautiful cinematics. Pakistan has also importance because of its huge mountainous range. Basically, Pakistan is home to many high altitude peaks and mountain ranges. It has the world's fifth longest mountain range, called the Karakoram Range. K2 also lies in it. K2 is about 8611 meters above the sea level, is also known as the world's second highest mountain range. Pakistan is an agriculture country. Most of its revenue is generated through its agricultural export. Agriculture of Pakistan contributes about 18.5% to the country's GDP. Agriculture is the backbone of Pakistan's economy. The main exports products are cotton, rice, fruit, vegetable, and some principal imports are wheat, wheat flour, vegetable oil, pulses, tea, and some fine sugar. That's all. Thank you for watching. Peace. Allah Hafiz.